Hello everyone! Samahan niyo ulit akong magluto ng another delicious and easy Chinese dish. This is steamed long beans with rice noodles. Ito yung ating ingredients. Of course, long beans, ganyan ang haba ng cut. 2 eggs, ang ating soaked rice noodles. Sauce naman, diced garlic, white pepper, sugar, light soy sauce, oyster sauce, and hot oil. Ito naman sa pan, mag-boil tayo ng water. Pagka-boil, ilagay naman natin yung ating long beans. After 1 minute, i-drain natin. And then sa sauce, ayan, yung diced garlic, lagyan ng hot oil, white pepper, and then light soy sauce, oyster sauce, and then a little bit of sugar. Mix together lang. After mixing, add natin ng little bit of chili para may konting anghang. Sa plate naman, plating tayo nang ilagay naman natin ang ating rice noodles doon sa baba. Tapos ipatong natin yung ating long beans. Ayan, pinatong ko ng ganyan. Ganyan design yung napili ko. Ayan, salansan lang ng mabuti para mas maganda. After that, ayan, ilagay naman natin yung ating ginawang sauce kanina. Patong natin doon sa ating long beans. Ayan. Tapos yung 2 eggs, ilagyan natin ng 2 eggs dyan sa gitna. And then steam it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, ayan na. And then garnish natin ng green onion. Tapos add natin ng light soy sauce on the top. After that, add natin ng hot oil. Ayan na, it's ready to serve. Let's eat. Thank you for watching.